Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Tateman. I'm the sales agent here in beautiful Everly with Neal Signature Homes. Today I'm going to show you our brand new Ravenna model. Come check it out. This Ravenna model features 3,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a den, and a club space. This home is made for elegance as well as daily relaxation. It features the dining, the great room, and the kitchen all in one space. Here you're able to enjoy, relax, and also look out into your beautiful outdoor living space. With Neal Signature, you're able to create the kitchen of your dreams. Here we feature updated quartz countertops, upgraded cabinetry, and beautiful cafe appliances. One of the great things about Everly is we are a natural gas community. You also have a very large walk-in pantry. Working from home, this den makes a beautiful office. The clubroom can be used for a multitude of different spaces. Here we feature a formal sitting area. You could use it as a game room though. The great thing about the clubroom is you have direct access to your outdoor living space. We are a family of companies. Waterscapes did a beautiful job here on the outdoor living space. We have an in-ground hot tub, 3 waterfalls, the grill and chill area, and a relaxing area to get a beautiful suntan. We're now standing in the primary suite of the Ravenna model. Here we feature tray ceilings and beautiful natural light coming from the outdoor living space. Create your own oasis here in Everly. With the primary bathroom, we feature a beautiful elevated full glass enclosure shower, dual separate vanities, double walk-in closets, and a luxurious soaking tub. Let's not forget, with total separation, you have 2 guest bedrooms that share a bathroom. In the laundry room, we featured a stackable washer and dryer to give you ample counter space and cabinetry underneath. We also have a laundry tub. From the 3-car garage, you have this beautiful drop zone area, or you could do a coat closet. Thank you so much for touring the Ravenna model with me. I hope to see you soon in beautiful Everly.